What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought you guys pumpkin and bean soup. So I have a pumpkin which is seasonal and these are the red kidney beans. First of all, take a pan where you're gonna make a soup or a pot. These are boiled actually already. So canned beans are usually boiled. So this is boiled. We will take a smasher and we will try to just smash a little bit the beans from the top. This is very unique new recipe. Do try this. It's seasonal. This is in these days, this recipe. It's all completely in. It goes with the seasoning. It goes with the flavors. You guys gonna ask me how much is the quantity you are using. So just focus on the ingredients and how about practice it yourself and find out. What should you put less and what should you put more? Just for now, just watch. I put 1 can of bean. This is 5 cloves of diced garlic. They go in here. There's no water yet in here. We will add a water. So the water goes in here. So after adding the water, add at least 1 tablespoon of salt for the 1 can of beans. Have you guys seen my little pumpkins? So the pumpkin which we are using in this recipe, this is called pie pumpkin. It's usually softer than the other ones, the bigger ones. Alright, green onions. I have at least 7 of the green onions. The sizzle is real for the soup. So this is how we will chop it. Alright, so 7 of the green onions. We will add these onions in our bowl. Is it a bowl or a pot? This is a pot, the soup pot. So they go all in here. This is mostly all fresh recipe. And we are adding just the rock salt in there. Let it come to a boil. In the meantime, we will be cutting our, what do you call this? Pumpkin. So, oh my god, this looks so good. Get your peelers, peel the skin. Comment down below and tell me what kind of pumpkin recipes you guys like. You guys want me to do the pumpkin pie on the next one? Our version, the best version, easy version, more healthy version. Alright, so the peeling is on the point. Or how about Russia? How they call pumpkin a pumpkin. Alright, so right now we are just making sure it should be a little cleaner. Alright, is it satisfying to watch? Okay, the peeler work is done. The mess goes on the side. Okay, let's open this big boy. Okay, this is the pumpkin. Alright, this time I guess we did it right. Yeah, it's 50-50. Right in the center. Okay, take a spoon. Take the pumpkin seeds out. Just like that. It's full of seeds. Imagine how many plants can grow from this. And how many plants gonna have how many pumpkins? Oh my god. We're gonna be rich, bro. Don't you think? I'm using the spoon. Some people use knife, but the spoon is much easier to use. Okay, so it's cleaner, no seeds. Alright. Remove all these seeds on the side. Alright, let's work here. So, spoon against the pumpkin seeds. I was able to pull out the hairs also a little bit because we don't want pumpkin hair in this soup. So this little guy, actually I called it big guy, has a big stuff, you know, like the skin and the seeds and the pumpkin hair. Alright, cut the bottoms. We don't need that. Now, make thin slices. Just like this. Just like this. And this soup is a little bit chunky, okay? So we will be cutting into cube forms. This is all seasonal, delicious pumpkin and bean soup. Since it's almost, if you guys see here, it's the water is vaporizing, means it's coming to a boil. We will be adding our pumpkin in there right away. Easy, right? So we don't need that. This is a chunky pumpkin soup, not a pumpkin puree. This is called a grandma pumpkin and bean soup. Yeah, it's a good name. Add half more tablespoon of salt because the pumpkin needs extra salt in there. Half tablespoon of black pepper. It's a soup, right? So a little bit black pepper will help us out. Grabbing, should I use the wooden spoon? Oh no, this is a soup. Okay, let me use the wooden right now. Give it a stir. Take a look here, guys. It has the beans. It has the pumpkin in there. It has the garlic. And it has the green onions. First, we will cook this at least for 15 minutes. We'll bring it to boil. After bringing it to boil, we will taste our soup. You should taste your soups too. And in the meantime, I'll clear this mess and it will be all pretty, just as this little tiny pumpkin. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. I've put the lid on top, which helps the process to get a little bit faster. So this is how it looks. Yum, right? Grab our soup spoon. Wow, it looks. Yes, it's completely soft. That's wonderfully done. Alright, there is one more thing to add. They have corn flour right there. Add at least a half of it more, so 1.5 spoon of corn flour. We'll add some water in here. We will try our best it doesn't form like lumps, you know. If you put directly in our soup the powder, it's gonna form like lumps. We don't need that. So 1.5 spoon of corn flour goes all in here. It's going to help the soup to get a little bit thickened. If you guys see, it's already forming a little bit thick texture. This is the grandma recipe. We will be simmering now the soup at least for 10 minutes. Okay, the wait time is over. Let's take a look in here. It has been simmering for 10 minutes, the last 10 minutes for our soup. Let me get this spoon out. Alright guys, so this is how it's gonna look, and it looks superly deliciously yummy. The colors are popping, everything looks great. Here I have the soup bowls, so I'll just land it here. Check this, all fresh homemade pumpkin and bean soup. It goes with the season and it looks delicious. Alright, looks clean now. Alright, let me get another bowl for the looks, you know, it looks good. Or it can be for your partner. No, not for the cameramans though. This is it guys. I have some crackers with it. So we will set some crackers right here. So you have the crackers, you have the soup, and just for the looks, we have the tiny pumpkins right there guys. There you guys, your beautiful pumpkin and bean soup. Very easy to make. You guys saw me how I did it. Do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, enjoy this B-roll shot. So this is the POV of the soup. Looks good, right? It's still hot. I don't want to burn mama, but it's a must-try soup, guys. Our friends.